So this is just a small, quick, easy, will go together, fantastically moulded, fantastically tooled, 172 scale Hawk Tempest Mark 5. JN751, coded RB, it's Roland Beamont's, Wing Commander Roland Beamont's personal aircraft. So let's have a little look in the box here. So this is beautifully moulded, okay, lovely crisp moulding, everything is going to go together, absolutely lovely, okay, it's going to be a delicious kit to build. Now, going to have a little look in here. So then, what was in the box? Well, that's the decal sheet, the transparent parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 sprues of gear, and the instructions. Now, instructions are all in colour. Let's have a little look. Oh, look at the quality of that. Beautiful. This is not the kind of 172 aircraft kit I'm used to making. This is all pucker modern day stuff. Look at that. How nice. And there's the colouring sheet. Look at that. You want to get your crayons out for that, didn't you? Right. Without further ado, old boy,